Hi everyone, Imangila Binyaya. I'm Principal AI Scientist at AWS, and today we're presenting our work with DOCOMO team, operational for the mobile network. This is the use case in production at the full territory of Japan for the radio access network core and transport, and it is titled Digital Twin for the network with Agentic AI and federated data layer. It means it includes topology, alarms, and KPIs as federated layer where the agent will make sense for root cause analysis. So let's get started. DOCOMO, like all the CSPs across the globe, they are working toward the level 4 of automation, the closed loop. And for that, the first step is to federate the network data, bringing the topology, the alarms, and the KPIs together in order to present this federated layer to the agentic AI to make sense of the health check of the network, observability, the root cause analysis, and other use cases. I am proud to announce that with DOCOMO, we are in production in the full territory of Japan across 3 network segments, the radio access network, the transport, and the core. And we are having a full digital twin with Agentic AI running on top of this data and making sense of the events happening, the insights that are leading to, for example, abnormal behavior, as well as the agents that are isolating the failure and indicating what's wrong in the network in less than 5 minutes. This is how it looks like, the high-level design of what is in production in the full territory of Japan today. So we have 4 types of agent. The orchestrator agent is the agent that is orchestrating the different sub-agent while receiving all the data coming from the networks. So the first category of agent is the observability agent. They are accessing the alarms, the volume of alarm, the spikes, the different descriptions that are coming when the event are occurring. And the second one is the root cause analysis type of agent, and I will double click on that on the next slide. The last one is the knowledge agent, which is accessing the documentation, the troubleshooting recipes, in order to enable DOCOMO to go from identification of failure, analysis, and then recommendation of what to do in the network. So basically, if I double click on the root cause analysis agent, so there we have strategies for the root cause analysis. All the events on the network are not the same, and they are evolving over time and they change over time. So if the incident is, you can identify this from the alarm directly, from the alarm description or from the KPI deviation, then the agent will be analyzing in a quick manner and then sending the analysis to the network operation team. If the incident is complex, which is very frequent in the network today, then the agent automatically will be extracting the topology at that time frame of the occurrences of the event, identifying the subgraph of failure, and based on that, they will be triggering the right graph analytics algorithm that are the most suitable to that subgraph of failure. So we are moving from rule-based management of the root cause with the graph analytics into agentic-based graph algorithm selection, which is a game changer. So we don't need to hard code the algorithm. The agent will discover the topology, discover the subgraph of failure, and decide which cascade of algorithm that needs to be done. This will materialize into this UI where DOCOMO team are accessing the full topology of the network, the full combination of topology with telemetry and with alarms, and they can easily pinpoint where the problem is happening thanks to the agents that are deployed, and the agents are deployed with Agent Core and developed with Strands Agent. All of this for the full territory of Japan. That's the first worldwide customer going at the scale with Agent Core. And it is handling more than 1 million nodes. And you can imagine for those 1 million nodes, how many alarms, how many telemetry that are collected in at the level of minutes. And all of this is accessible through agent where they can communicate or they can be scheduled on demand depending on what they would like to analyze from the network. So now I will let my colleague deep dive with the video demo that is up and running today in the network of Japan for the full territory of the country.
Hello everyone, my name is Yuki Miyazaki, a solution architect at Amazon Web Services Japan. My role is architecting solution and providing the technical guidance to telecommunication operators. Now I'm showing the NTT DOCOMO's demo. So this is the actual dashboard used by the operators in commercial. Here we can see the all green status in Japan, which meaning all their 1 million nodes is all normal status. When incident happens, the prefecture is highlighted like this. In this case, the Tokyo prefecture is impacted. This is reflecting the result of the observability agent here. The observability agent is analyzing the traffic data, alarm data collected from their DOCOMO's commercial network. And then operator just clicking this Tokyo region prefecture, then now we can see all the result of the RCA agent. So the RCA agent executes the Neptune Analytics graph algorithm. By using that, it finds out which node is propagating the most failures. So that's why the DOCOMOs can handle the more complicated incidents. So now we can see the Tokyo aggregation router is the most suspected faulty device. And also we can see the topology map here. So now operator just can find out which node is a faulty device in the huge topology map. So also by clicking this Tokyo aggregation router, we can see the traffic data, alarm data below the topology map in details. So also, finally, we can see the recommended action, which is provided by the knowledge agent here. So knowledge agent showing the recommended action based on the knowledge base. In the knowledge base, there is MOP, manual operation procedure. So then we can find out which action and the root cause analysis. Then operator can take action after that. So in addition, if the operator has any question or more details, then operator can ask with a natural language to the AI agent here. This is a chat base. So in this demo, operator just asks analyze the number of users affected by the failure. So now we can see the overall user impact estimate, like a report. But also, operator can ask anything, like what's going on now, or please provide the summary report of the yesterday instance, something like that. So this is a demo, but again, so this is actually used by the DOCOMO's operators in commercial, and we can say the AWS solution can enable the DOCOMOs to realize their autonomous network at scale at the enterprise level.
As a next step, we are now starting by the enrichment with further use cases, adding more topology information, for example, adding more KPIs and events that we are going to cover through the root cause analysis. And this will be a journey toward covering also other use cases like service impact assessment and, for example, change management. And first thing that we are going to do as a next step is the optimization. As we go at scale, we are identifying that leveraging LLM can be not cost-effective solution. So we are starting the network language model, which is the customization of the large language model to the network data. So this will be resulting into specialized and small models that will be understanding DOCOMO event, DOCOMO topology, and DOCOMO troubleshooting approach, and will help them to grow with the root cause analysis toward different network segments and use cases while being a cost-effective solution at scale. Thank you.